What is going on, guys? We are back. It's around what is the time? Around 7:30 in the morning. Looking at some trades. Show you a couple things that I'm looking at. Gold. Uh, I'm really tempted to short this. Not sure what's gonna happen, but once this breaks, I really like it to short. You can see here, I like to short this first target right there, and then second target probably either here or there. But I really like to short gold. It looks like it really wants to come down, break this, and keep going down. It's respecting here, and then it seems like it wants to go down. So I will be on the watch for that. I'm gonna have to do it off my phone, but I'll go ahead and show you as soon as I do it. Let's see, oil, nothing to do with oil. Don't even touch it. This I mentioned this the other day that once this broke, take longs, and we were taking longs. It came back, kind of retested this, and then look, I mean, not much you can do there, guys. And it's silly because I saw this and I didn't play, and we actually took that loss the other day, yesterday. So it's kind of annoying that this actually worked out. Literally textbook to what I said. All right, let's see. Look at gold. I already looked at gold. The ES. I do like longs on ES if it come back down to here to this level, but this is a very wide level, as you can see. So I'll see if we can take the one that I actually do like that I'm gonna take right now is the Dow. It's it's a small trade because the stop loss is gonna be like somewhere around here, which is not gonna be very big. But I do like it. It is the strongest out of all of them. Let's see. Yeah, the Dow's the strongest. They're both. Everything's negative today, but the Dow is the strongest compared to everything else. The Nasdaq is plummeting. ES. Let's see. Let's see what the Russell is doing. Similar. So it is 7:30. Usually, do we have anything at 8:30? What is it? 8:30. Today is Friday. Yeah. Unemployment, hourly wages, retail. Okay. So a couple things coming out. Nothing crazy. Okay. So as you can see here, I do like shorts on the Russell, but it has to break this and it has to break this for me to keep going. Now we can come back here, retest and go up, but that's why I would wait and hesitate to see what happens here before I take a short or a long. But the one that I do like is it Dow? Oh, excuse me. Because it's already here, and it might rebound here, keep going up. So I'm going to take a long here.
Order filled.
Perfect. Hopefully you can hear me. It's too loud. All right. Well, this is why I'm taking it because it's a small loss. See, it's only very. I'll put a very tight stop loss. If it doesn't work, that's kind of what I'm looking at. See if you can hit this or at least 150 and go from here. And I would assume that until market open, until 9:30 or at least until 8:30 the news comes out, this might just kind of swing around and hang here. So we'll see what happens. If before market opens, I might just close the position out just so we have something free and then we can enter something else at market open. So, but that's it, guys. Showing you that, and then we'll see where we go from there. But I'll keep this one long on the Dow, small, very small stop loss. 50. I'll put it at 60. That way, some room, and that's it. All right. We'll see you again, guys. All right, guys. We are back. It's around 9 in the morning. Market's about to open around 20 minutes, and we just got destroyed. 8:30 news came on, and it just popped us, and we took a $60 loss. So not great. We're back to basically almost break even in the account. $50 up, but it is what it is. Not much you can do. Yeah. Let's see what else we're looking at. Gold. I am very interested in shorting gold. I've said this before. I like gold a lot to short this right here. 8:30 news came out and it made this huge thing, came back all the way down. I am very interested. So when market opens, I might have to go ahead and short this right there. Let's see what else. Look at MES. I mean, look at that. That makes me want to long a lot. See, we're going back. Let's look at the 4 hour just to show you what I'm looking at. So this is where I'm looking at. So you can see from here, once it broke this, came back, it hasn't come back. Basically touched here, not really, but it's very close to it. And now it's touching again. It tested here, it's coming back again. And it's this trend line that it's respecting. So that's why, like, to me, you see this, that's why I like to go longs, personally. I really want to go longs here, but I'm also looking at gold. See, this is a dilemma, guys. Sometimes you have two different. Yeah, I'm not touching. They don't have to do on oil, but gold I'm really liking to short here, and I also like longs here on ES. What's going on ES? So ES stronger. Well, it's they're all weak right now. It's ES, the Dow, Nasdaq, and then the Russell's down almost double. Wow, what happened? Yeah, they got trashed. Wow. That would have been a nice short. But it was news, guys. Came out and then everything fell. I think I'm gonna stick with gold. Gold shorts here. And ES longs, I do like here. With a stop loss around here. And then gold shorts, aiming from here to here to this, from this to this right here. Did a nice drop because it's probably gonna test these lows, and if it breaks, it's probably gonna come down to here. See, I very much doubt it. It'll come down all the way to 48, 59, 60 area from 596. I think if it goes up to this 500, this low right here, which is this 500, that's a mental resistance, support, I mean. So that's my here, because that's where buyers might step in and buy it, because it's coming down from a very nice fall. So we'll see. But I just want to make a video, update you guys what's going on. That's probably the play. If I see something that's going on, I'll come back. Yeah, longs here look really nice, but I might have to wait on that just because the market just selling off. And just go with the gold shorts. That's the play, guys. I'll wait till then. I'll come back in a little bit. I'll come back around 9:30 just to see what's going on and trade. I'm gonna trade a new strategy too soon. I'm not sure if today or tomorrow. If you've heard of fair value gaps, I have traded it before and it is useful, but I definitely want to trade into that too. So I'll go ahead and try that, and I'll be back, guys. We'll see you soon. All right, guys, we are back. Looking at ES here, I'm really liking longs here. Although it did break this out right here, it's still in the zone. It's just waiting. Obviously below here, it's over, but I really am very tempted to take longs here. I'm just waiting to see if it can break this, so then I won't have to take it. But the other thing I'm looking at, like I said, is gold short. And look at that, guy. I mean, this is ready to just drop. I really like it here. So I think I'm gonna take gold shorts and possibly longs here. But it's gonna be risky for both. This one shouldn't be too risky because if it breaks below here and holds it, I'm done. I'm out. So it's not a big deal. But gold shorts, I do like it here a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a stab just with one. I know we had already a $60 loss, but I really try to take a little more. Be more aggressive here. It's holding so far. Hasn't broken this low yet. On the 4 hours, you can see here it's still holding. Of course, it's a nasty handle. This is why it's hard, because you see this and you're like, why would I ever take longs? But it is holding from all the way back here. So that's why I do like it. That's why mentally playing demand zone is a little harder. But I'm going to take one here.
Order filled.
Simple, guys. Nothing crazy. Again, if it drops below it, where's my stop loss? Here we go. Yeah, no. Something simple. Nothing crazy. Looking for that. Kind of there, I would say. To see if you can get up to that. See that resistance right here, small resistance, that'd be nice. But let's see what happens. Down already $40. So my stop loss, probably be a little closer. Yeah, $100 if you can. If it drops, it drops. But I do like it here to this resistance right there. Right there. Yeah. See what happens, and then gold. Where gold? MGC. Yeah, and the hourly, same thing. I mean, this looks really nasty, as you can see here. That's a nasty candle. And these are hourly candles, guys. So nasty candle, nasty candle. This is breaking for here, which I'd probably look for. Like that's kind of where I'm looking at. Like that would be my. That's exactly where I would look to see if you can get it to around there. But I need it to break. I don't want to get hold up and then it keeps going up and down. And gold tends to move pretty quick. I mean, like movements mean a lot of dollar values, so that's why. So looking at ES here, starting to work. I really wanted to take it down here. I should look like it to my buddies. I wanted to take it around here and I didn't. But it is what it is. Hope we can get a nice jump up. Again, this is kind of what I'm looking for. Honestly, I should be right there. This area from here to like there is kind of where I would look into, but of course I would want to go for the, like around 200 area. Put it at 200. Hopefully we can get to 200, but let's see what happens, and then we'll see. Look at gold. Still nothing. Looks like gold's gonna wait another 15, 20 minutes to see what happens, guys. To see if this drops or not. But I'll keep this position for now. This is gonna be either quick drops, breaks, or it comes back up and hits us. So we'll see. I still like it. I am playing my strategy, so I'm not just like throwing stuff on the chart. So we'll see what happens. And then with gold, if I do get into position, I'll go ahead and show you and come back and show you if hopefully this breaks. It is on the hourly, and we still have another 15 minutes, so I'm not going to keep it here. But I'll come back, and I'll see what's going on, guys. I'll see you in a little bit. All right, guys, we are back. Down around $80 or so. Doesn't look like this is going to work out. It's going to hit our stop loss, so I'm going to take the loss here instead of taking it all the way here at 100. Yeah, there's no point in me even holding it.
Order filled.
Wow. So, took the loss. It is what it is. Down 150. So it was a $90 loss there because we had a $60 loss before. And that's probably it for the day, guys. I'm probably not going to trade anything else because we're back-to-back losses. Gold flew all the way up. This is why we wait and we don't enter as soon as, it looked really bearish with these two candles. But look at that now. It just jumped up all the way up. So not taking that, obviously. But it is what it is, guys. Look, as soon as we got out, it's probably gonna jump up. We were trying to aim for this, guys. That's what we were aiming at. 2 longs. There's 3 seconds left on this hourly candle. See what happens. Wow, if it comes back, if it hits this is gonna be really annoying because we had it correctly, and then that was our stop loss for like a $200 gain, guys. That's gonna be really, really annoying. Wow. Well, the hour just started, but it's gonna hurt a little bit. We cut it, and then hopefully it dies, because else it'll make me feel better at least somewhat. But that's it, guys. Nothing else to do here. Oil, MCL. Where am I going? Let's see. Nothing, just peaking. Nothing else. The Dow just drowned, and again, nothing to do here. Just all the way down here, so you have no idea what's gonna happen now. Let's see, and Russell. Same similar position. I would probably short here. And enemy. Yeah, I'm gonna keep watching this later on to see what happens. But if it hits this, it's gonna be very, very salty. That's gonna be very annoying that we took a long. Would have hit if we would just waited a little longer. It just barely broke and then came back up. But it is what it is, guys. Nothing you can do here. This is it, and then we're back to our account at -40. So hopefully we can get a nice win. But it's part of trading, guys. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, and not much you can do. All right, well, we'll catch you soon, guys. Bye now. All right, guys. So just wanted to come back here and show you that it actually did go up and it hit our target. It is what it is, guys. Very unfortunate. We had the play and we just got out literally
I think if I would have kept our stop loss and didn't get out earlier, it would have hit right now and made a $20 profit instead of 150 loss. But it is what it is, guys. But that's it. Not taking any more trades. Yeah, gold went up instead. So nothing else today. It is what it is, guys. We had good ideas, we just didn't execute correctly. So it happens sometimes. You just gotta learn. All right. I'll see you next time, guys.